Did you just get out of a meeting and need to quickly see what you missed in chat? Want to check out your chat spaces for what's come in just since you last looked? Toggle to see only unread chats. I'm Laura Mae Martin, Google's Productivity Advisor, here to show you how to work your space in Google Workspace. Today, we'll show you how to quickly see only your unread chats. Let's get started. In Chat, go to Home, then toggle to the top corner for Unread. Quickly see and read all of your unread chats, then toggle back to see all chats. So there you have it. Quickly see unread chats in one easy step. If you have any specific questions about this tip, leave them in the comments below. Follow Google Workspace for more tips just like this.